I use nasal sticks all the time. I have them on the go. I keep them in my purse. I keep them in my car. I keep them around my desk, just around the house. And now I'm sick, and for whatever reason, it didn't occur to me that I should be using them like all the time because I'm sick. Like just came out with their own nasal sticks, and there are a couple of interesting changes that they made to the product that make them like intriguing above the other one, if you know what I'm talking about. This is the lemon flavor scent. Aren't these so adorable? Like, look how fun and cute they are. Sorry for the shadows. So you've got the standard nasal stick, right? You can, it immediately goes up and through the sinuses. Breathe it in your throat. I can feel. Okay, so you've got the standard twist off, and smell. But then if you need something a little bit more on point, it comes in the roller form. A tiny little roller ball. I can just put it where I want to put it, and then have that aromatherapy with me where is that not brilliant? And this is a separate cartridge, by the way. So you've got your roller bottle at the bottom, and then up here you've got your little foam. I don't know what it is. Is it a tampon in there? Oh, that's really good. They also have it in mint. If you've been thinking about getting the nasal sticks, these from Sea versus the other kind. I mean, I love the other kind. They're great, but this is really intriguing with the roller ball. Perfect time to get them now because it is 6 season. I'd get them.